Have you ever wondered how gold bars are made? You may know that they're crafted from pure gold, but have you ever thought about how that gold is refined and made into those iconic bars? These shiny, uniform bars that symbolize wealth and luxury go through a fascinating transformation from raw ore to pure metal. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes and reveal the secrets of how gold bars are made. Whether you're a finance enthusiast, an investor, or just someone who loves learning about precious metals, this video is for you. Join us as we explore the intricate process of creating these timeless pieces of wealth. It all starts with the source, raw gold or extracted from the earth. This ore is then processed to extract the gold, which involves crushing and grinding the ore into a fine powder and using chemicals to separate the gold from other materials. Once the gold has been extracted, it's time to refine it. Gold is a chemical element with the symbol O and atomic number 79. It's known for its luster, ductility, and resistance to corrosion. In its purest form, gold is a chemically inert substance, meaning it doesn't react with most chemicals. However, the gold ore found in nature isn't pure. It's typically mixed with other metals such as silver, copper, and zinc. To obtain pure gold, a process called smelting is used. Smelting involves heating the gold to too high temperatures, which causes the gold to melt while impurities burn away. But achieving the right temperature is crucial. Too low and the impurities will remain. Too high and the gold itself could be damaged. The ideal temperature range for refining gold is between 1050 and 1064 degrees Celsius. Maintaining this precise temperature range during smelting is essential to ensure the purity of the final product. After smelting, the remaining material is not yet a shiny gold bar, but it's much purer than the original ore. It's at this stage that the gold undergoes further refinement to meet the standards of purity required for creating investment-grade gold bars. The next step in the process is casting. The refined gold is melted and then cast into shapes that can be further processed into bars or other gold products. At this stage, the gold is still in its liquid form and is typically cast into ingots. These ingots are then rolled, hammered, or extruded into bars. The thickness of the bars can vary depending on their intended use, but they typically range from 40 to 400 troy ounces or 28 pounds each. The length and width of the bars are also important factors, with different sizes catering to specific markets and investor preferences. For example, the popular 400 troy ounce or 28 pound gold bars measure approximately 7 inches in length and 7/10 of an inch in width. Once the bars are formed, they're weighed and inspected to ensure they meet the required weight and purity standards. Any bars that don't meet these standards are melted down and recast. But how do these gold bars achieve their iconic status? What makes them so valuable and sought after by investors and collectors alike? The answer lies in their purity and craftsmanship. Gold bars are typically available in various carats, with 24-karat gold being the purest form. 24-karat gold bars contain 99.9% pure gold, making them highly valuable and resistant to corrosion. These bars are often used by investors and central banks, as they maintain their value over time and are easily exchanged for their weight in gold. The production of gold bars is a meticulous and highly regulated process that involves multiple stages of refinement and purification. The entire process is designed to ensure that each gold bar meets the highest standards of quality and purity. From the initial extraction of gold ore to the final casting of gold bars, each step plays a crucial role in creating these lustrous symbols of wealth and value. So the next time you see a gold bar, take a moment to appreciate the intricate journey it took to get there. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about gold bars and the fascinating process of how they were made. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.